You're seeing it across the market. I mean, I think today I saw an article from NVIDIA. They put out the playbook on, how to basically build the data center. I don't know if you saw that, but they're even put the playbook out from their level. Like, hey, we want to. These chips are coming. This is how they're going to work. And
here's the lessons that have been learned.
Here's the playbook. And I thought about that because I was like, man, I bet there were a couple like co-locators or hyperscalers that were like, hey, hold up, but because they're putting the playbook, and then you realize, wait. Just like we're talking about, they're not competing. We're all working together. Like
open sourcing the model.
Yeah, let's figure it out. How do we get to speed to market? We need it.
Well, so you have like the Open Compute project, right? Like that's their whole thought process is like, how do we standardize because the demand's there?
Yeah.
Right? Like, and that's really cool.
Yeah, because we got to build a lot of these in the next 5 years,
and where does collaboration, the one thing that I remember going back to I keep bringing up Kurt, but that's kind of how this all started. And if you go really far
they're
back.
They're going to really love us. They're getting lots of plugs.
They are getting lots of plugs. But within that, like, the one thing I remember owners saying, we can always talk about safety because that's not a competitive edge.
Yes.
Like, safety is not, there's a lot of things that aren't competitive edges that we should be talking about.
Right.
Right? Like, there's a lot of workforce, 100% should not be, it's not a you should use it for your own. But if we're trying to attract people to this industry, that's something we should all be able to collaborate on.
It's a collective thing that we all have to invest in and be a part of. And I think we all do that, right? I mean, that's a big thing that we're doing is like, how do we get more people interested in the trades, come into the industry? There's so much opportunity. It's not like, a shovel in a hole, I mean, you're using robotics, you're doing neat things. Yeah.
Well, and then now expand that. Well, within prefabrication, is there things that could become standardized that help the industry, right? Like, there's conferences that we'll be talking about. How do we make things more sustainable? Like, those are things that you can always collaborate,
rally around.
What is our rally cry going to be here?